Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. I read a story in the Wall Street Journal about Tiffany suing the French luxury goods giant LVMH over LVMH's backing out of the $16.2 billion deal they had entered into, whereby LVMH was to acquire Tiffany. Purportedly, the French government put some pressure on LVMH not to close the deal until sometime in 2021. Tiffany says that's a pretext and is suing now in Delaware to enforce the acquisition agreement. Well, do you need a deal so badly? Have you ever needed a deal so badly that you would sue to get it done? Maybe not exactly sue, but have you signaled that you need a deal so badly that you'd in essence die for it, that you have to have it, that unless you have that deal, what? The sky is falling, you don't know what to do, you don't have any alternatives. So slightly different from the Tiffany story is that latter situation is far more common. The situation in which you signal your neediness in connection with a deal. Power in a deal comes from the ability to walk away. It doesn't come from signaling, whether it is true or not, that you need a deal so much that you die for it. In essence, it becomes deal suicide. Be careful what you're signaling. Of course, like Tiffany, once the document is signed, I could understand why, in their case, suing is a valid option, but query why there weren't breakup fees such that LVMH's backing out triggered a big payday. Perhaps, after all, Tiffany, that jewel, is signaling that everything isn't diamonds, maybe it's just paste.